Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today I will make a flower necklace through this video. Very beautiful and unique design. Hope you will like it. Please watch the video till the end. I have used off-white pearls and seed beads to make this necklace. First we take 6 pieces of big size 14 mm of white pearls. Tighten it very well. Then take another 14 mm pearl to add to the middle of the flower. Add 1 seed beads at the beginning and end of each pearl. Please comment how you like it. I have used black color seed beads in this case so that the flower looks more beautiful. Many friends come subscriber ask me from where these materials are available. I am telling them if you want to make jewelry using the same material like me, I live in Kolkata, India, and we have a market called Bara Bazaar in Kolkata. All the things are available in Bara Bazaar at very low prices. If you want to buy material from Bara Bazaar, then comment me. I will tell him the address of the shop. And all the materials I use to make jewelry are from Bara Bazaar markets. They are also available online, but the price is much higher. Please comment where you buy your jewelry materials. Many people watch our videos but can't find the materials. It will be helpful. If you like the video, please comment and let me know how you like this video. Please comment and let me know from where you buy the jewelry materials. For 14 mm pearls, I used 7 pieces seed bead. Same way to use 7 pieces seed beads, I will surround the flower. For the middle pearls of the flower, I used a total of 8 pieces of seed beads. Again I took 8 pieces of seed beads. I took a total of 16 pieces of seed beads. Then we will use a 3 piece of seed beads and surround it with 3 pieces of seed beads. I hope you like it. Share it on your social accounts. If you already click on like button, thank you so very much. After adding the seed beads around, I will add 3 pieces of seed beads on the outside. This is my favorite flower design. I hope you like that design very much. The flower I will add 3 seed beads in each corner. This time we will add 8 piece seed beads. can see that we are adding 4 pieces seed beads. We have already made the flower on one side of the chain. On the other side, I am sharing the chain with you. First, I will take 10 pieces of seed beads and wrap it around an 8 mm pearl. To make the jewels, I bought everything from the Bara Bazaar market and I got all the material from a shop. To make the jewels, I am using fishing wire. I made 2 small flowers like this. To make a chain, first I added a 10 mm pearl. Between the 2 flowers I made, I added a flower, then I added 10 mm and then another flower add. After adding, I will use 8 mm pearl, total 20 pieces. Thank you very much for watching this whole video. We hope you like this video. Please share the video with your friends and please subscribe DiyArtiePie.